Stock and bond markets. They're shuttered Monday in observance of the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, but Fox Business is open for business. I and Team Countdown are here. Why? Well, first of all, Fox Business works harder. Yeah, we're here. But the record-long shutdown is expected to still be in force. But there are also all kinds of international stories. The international markets are open, so it's really important that you stay tuned. Beijing is expected to release its GDP report. So growth in China will move our futures. I guarantee you, growth or lack thereof. British Prime Minister Theresa May's latest Plan B Brexit may be released on Monday. So let's bring in Cornerstone Wealth Managing Partner Jeff Carbone to talk about, Jeff, how people can go in. We've got 3 minutes left to go into the holiday weekend with a portfolio that is ready for anything.
Yeah, I think, as we know, with the tradings have been all about trade, Federal Reserve, slower global economy, and the political turmoil we're in Washington right now. So I'm really looking on Monday for the GDP reading out of China, see if it adds some additional kindling to what we have going on today.
What are you expecting?
I would not be surprised if we see a little weaker reading out of China. I think they're expecting about a 6.4 GDP. If we get a little lower, again, I think it's going to help towards some of the talks. If we just see those positive talks continue to go strong, market's going to continue to rally. I think but it is not. I don't believe the volatility is over. Balance your portfolio between the market momentum, but also some defensiveness. So large company growth, larger companies with high quality balance sheets, paying a dividend is where I'm balancing my overweighting my portfolios right now.
Look at the S&P. In these last couple of minutes, we are up 31 points, and tech has done really well. Healthcare's done well. So you've got to get a sense from me, because the Dow, which is now up 303 points, has a lot of big financial names in there. You like financials?
Selective on financials, I think. Certainly, and I think it's selective on whether it be, I do like technology, I do like healthcare, financials, but I'm, again, being selective. The dislocation we saw in December gave us some opportunities, and we took advantage of it. We always say the markets aren't made for the average investor to make money because it's fear and greed. You take advantage of those fearful times, and I think average into some really good quality names. And we're also be defensive. Look at some consumer staples when you can average into those as well.